In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your order status on the Champ Sports website. Whether you're eagerly awaiting your new sneakers or some athletic gear, being able to track your order gives you peace of mind and keeps you informed every step of the way. First things first, let's open up your web browser and navigate to do.champsports.com. This is your go-to portal for everything sports related, and today we'll be diving into how to manage your orders there. Once the page is open, you'll want to log into your account. Look towards the top right of the web page where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it and a login prompt will appear. Here, you'll need to enter your registered email address and your password. If you've checked out as a guest previously, don't worry, you can still track your order. You'll just need your order number and the email you used during checkout. Make sure all your details are correct, then proceed to sign in. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to access your order history. Once again, direct your attention to the top of the web page where you should see your profile or account icon. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Order History. This section is essentially your personal archive of purchases, past and present, all neatly documented. With your order history opened, you'll see a list displaying all the orders you've made, both current and from the past. Each entry is detailed with the product specifics, the date you made the order, and most importantly, its current status. This overview is incredibly handy if you're managing multiple orders or if you simply need a quick confirmation of what you've purchased. Understanding the status of each order is vital. You'll notice several status labels. If it says processing, that means your order has been placed and is in the preparation stages. Shipped indicates that your order is on its way to you, and you'll find tracking information here, which is super useful if you're eagerly waiting for that delivery truck. Delivered obviously means your package has successfully arrived at your specified address. If, for any reason, you encounter canceled, this signals that your order didn't go through and you might need to investigate further or place a new order. To track your package specifically, look for the Track Order option next to each entry. Clicking this will take you to a page with your courier's tracking details, offering insights such as where your package currently is and the estimated delivery time. Having this information at your fingertips makes it convenient to plan for your package's arrival without any unwanted surprises. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you keep track of your purchases effortlessly.